Okay.
So first thing we do is make a pile of flour. Oh, I have to finish mixing this though. So we're using farro flour and just a plain white flour. And so we make it, we pour it together like this. We get it a little bit solid so it doesn't completely fall apart. Uh-oh. It's our squash. And then you make a well in the middle that's deep enough for an egg or two. I'll do one at first. I get the egg in there. I think I can try it. We need a fork. Whoops, sorry. Would you like to push my sleeve up? Thank you. So we need a little bit of salt. You put a pinch of salt in with the egg. You break the yolk. And then you slowly beat the egg while incorporating a little bit of flour, little bits at a time. So it's a delicate operation. Sometimes I beat the egg first.
You scramble it before, basically?
Yeah. Oops. And you gotta just be careful not to let your little mound collapse. I mean, it will eventually, but